welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys a Target haul. Sorry for being kind of weird. I kind of explained it more in my Walmart video, but I am having problems, personal problems, and that's why I'm kind of just been kind of slacking on videos lately, but I will be making a video explaining to you guys what is going on and what is going on in my life. But there's nothing going on with Graham and I. Graham and I are completely fine. My son and I, everything's fine, but I will tell you guys more about it later in the week. So just wanted to not be the Debbie Downer, but yeah, I'm sorry. I know you guys don't, I mean, some of you guys care and some of you guys don't care if I post videos, but I like to share with you guys videos. You know, I like to get out of the house and do stuff just to get out of the house. But yeah, so Target and Walmart this month has just been sad. I haven't found any deals. There are some good deals, but I never have the right coupons for it. But the one deal I was super excited that I got were the Bounty Essentials paper towels. I've been wanting to do this deal because there's a good deal on Ibotta right now, and we have those $1.50 off coupons, but those coupons will only let you use one per transaction, and I'm just like, I want to do more. But I finally found a deal that I think is awesome. So these were $7.99 a piece. It is an 8-pack. They say it's technically a 12-pack, but it is an 8-pack of paper towels. You guys want to use one of those $1.50 off coupons that you guys can print off at coupons.com. Plus, you guys can use that $1 off coupon that we had from a while back, or you guys can go and just type in, you guys can search for another $1 off Bounty Essentials coupon. You guys would end up paying $13.48 for two of them. I do have two of them. This is hard to show two of them in the camera, but you guys would pay $13.48 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate times 2 on Ibotta. Plus, there is a deal where if you guys buy two of them, you get a $5 gift card. So if you guys combined everything, it comes out to be $4.48 for both of these, or just $2.24 for one of these, which I think is a great deal. That comes out to be 28 cents for each roll. So I mean, 28 cents times 16, that is a great deal. So if you guys are interested in doing that deal, definitely do it. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now we're gonna dig in my bag so I can show you guys what else I got. So I got some Teddy Grahams. I love Teddy Grahams. I've been loving these since I was a kid. They're so good, and you just can't eat one. But these were $2.09. There is a 50% off deal on Cartwheel, so what you guys can either do is just type it in, or you can scan the item while you're at the store and just add it to your Cartwheel, and then when you go to the registers, you just have the cashier scan your barcode on your app, and you get 50% off. But there's also those 75 cents off of 2 coupons that we got. You guys would just pay $1.34 for both of these, which is a pretty good deal. You guys can also submit a $1 off of 2 rebate on checkout 51, making it 34 cents. Now, some of you guys might, it does say you can't use coupons, but I always do, and I still submit it. Now, the reason why I always get approved is because I always have multiple items on my receipt. If you guys are just buying these two, they're obviously going to deny you, but if you guys like have a list of stuff, they won't catch it. So I've always gotten approved of these. So if you guys can use that $1 off checkout 51, it's an awesome deal. 34 cents for the both of these, I think, is a great deal. And these are snacks. I didn't know when they expire. One box was like really kind of beat up. So this one expires in August and the other one expires in November. So wanted to get those. Those are great, like, road trip snacks to get. I ended up getting the Faye yogurt. Now, my Walmart does not sell these, which is weird, so that's why I never do these deals at Walmart. But the Faye total is $1.19. You guys would end up paying $1.19 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, just making it 44 cents. Now, I wanted to do a lot of Ibotta deals, but it's just been kind of slacking lately for Ibotta. So, oh, Ben wants to show you Kinder Egg, which we did not get at Target. With this is from a while back ago. So, okay, what do you want? You want me to open it? Mm-hmm. Okay, so there's that. There's that. And then I ended up getting the Faye crossover. Now that was $1.29. You guys would pay $1.29 for that. But then you guys can also submit a 75-cent rebate on, ooh, here's a little guy for you. Yeah. There's the 75-cent rebate on Ibotta. So you guys would just pay 54 cents for those. So if you guys really love yogurt, go for it. I just wanted to share with you guys some deals because I really want to try to finish. I'll build it when I'm done making my video. I really want to try to hit level 4 this month, but I don't know if it's even going to happen. I feel like this month has just been really sad on Ibotta deals, and I'm really, really keeping my fingers crossed that, Hey. I'm really keeping my fingers, sorry, we're building our Kinder Egg thing. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that, Ibotta is gonna kick butt in July. I just feel like so. Yeah, and Ben got these. These were these were on clearance for like a couple bucks or $1.99. So I got these for him because he is doing awesome going potty. So I give those to him every once in a while. And then I also got the Crunch Master Crackers. These were $2.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. Now, we did have one in the inserts. I cannot find it. I looked everywhere for it. If you guys know what insert it is, please tell me. Otherwise, you can sign up and print off a coupon for $1. You guys would end up paying $1.99 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta. And you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Checkout 51. So this ends up becoming a 1-cent moneymaker. So absolutely free for crackers. You cannot go wrong with those. And then I just kind of did this because I have a ton of the Tic Tac coupons left, so I just wanted to do this deal. So these were $1.17. The mixers are the ones that are 50% off on Cartwheel. Plus we have those 50-cent off coupons that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just get these for just 9 cents, which I think is a great deal. This is a flavor changing experience. Pina colada, coconut, plus pineapple. So if you guys really want to a really flavor changing experience, try these. So yeah, that is that. But yeah, I'm really hoping some deals start getting better because I just feel like some of these are just kind of lame. But my total came to $19.34. I was going to do the Pearl Olives again. I had the coupons cut, and I get to the store, and I cannot find them. I have no idea where I put them, but that would have been a freebie. They're $3. We have those $2.50 off coupons. Plus, you guys can get 75 cents with Ibotta. They would have been free, but yeah, I'm just having a bad day with coupons. But yeah, my total came to $19.34. I ended up getting $6.72. Why did I write $6.72? I ended up getting $4, $5, $7.50. I ended up getting, why did I wrote $6.72. That is weird. I do not know how to count. I got $6.50 back. Plus, I think I got 25 cents for an any receipt. So yeah, I got $6.75. I'm an idiot. So $6.75. I ended up getting $2 back from checkout 51. And then I ended up getting that $5 gift card for the Bounty paper towels. And then I had a bonus. I don't know anything about the bonus. I wasn't even paying attention, but I got $1 for the Level Up number 1, so that was that bonus. So it came to $14.62, but I think it's supposed to be $4.65 because I can't write. I ended up getting 8 items for just 58 cents a piece, which I think could be a pretty good deal. I mean, I was excited to get the Teddy Grahams. That was pretty much the #1 thing I was super excited to get. But yeah, it is a slow week. I wanted to do a couple other deals, but my store is weird. My coupons, I don't have them. I've been slacking on coupons lately. The place that I usually order my coupons for, I haven't been getting any really good ones lately. Like, they kind of just stopped it. So I don't know if I have to find a different coupon fairy or not. I'm trying to figure that out. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. I hope you guys find a better deal at Target, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.